Is HyperWrite AI actually worth your money, or just another overhyped writing tool? Let's find out in 60 seconds. HyperWrite AI is a writing assistant that helps you draft emails, blog posts, academic papers, and more using smart auto-completion, content generation, and real-time suggestions as you type. It also has a browser extension, so it works across platforms. Here's what I actually like. The type ahead feature is genuinely fast. It predicts your next sentence in real time, which saves a lot of time. You get real-time research with citations built in, huge for students and professionals. It personalizes to your writing style over time. And the template library covers everything from ad copy to creative writing. It also integrates with Google Docs, WordPress, and Dropbox. But here's the catch. The free plan is extremely limited. Premium starts at $20 a month for just 250 AI messages. That runs out fast if you're a heavy user. The Ultra plan at $45 a month feels steep compared to competitors. And honestly, if you rely on it too much, your original voice can start to fade. So here's my honest take. If you write a lot and want a tool that actually learns how you sound, HyperWrite is worth trying. But if you're on a budget or just writing occasionally, the price tag might not justify it. There are cheaper options out there.